This is a video in which we will share two specific Jupyter functionalities with you. If you have worked on a file and have closed it after having run its code cells, the next time you open it, you will not see the code in the input cells only. You will see also the obtained results stored in the output fields.
Now, imagine you would like to run the cells from the very beginning. What should you do? The best way to do that is to expand the kernel option from the Jupyter menu and select the option Restart Kernel and Clear Outputs of all cells. After you click on it, you must confirm by pressing the Restart button. Then we will see the only thing left in the notebook file is the code. None of these cells have been executed. That's why there is no number associated with the input cells. So after we execute the first cell, it will have the number 1. The next one will be numbered as 2, and so on. Great! The other interesting option would be to select Restart Kernel and run all cells after expanding the kernel option from the Jupyter menu. It will basically proceed similarly to the option we just saw. This time, however, Python will run all code cells from the first to the last unless it encounters an error somewhere on the way.
In case some cells contain an error, Python will simply stop there. In our case, there were no mistakes in the code, and the cells were set in the correct order, so everything will run from the beginning until the end. Is that correct? Yes, lovely. These options can be applied anytime you must redo what you have done with the notebook file. This usually happens after spending a long time on a document when you want to verify your code can run smoothly from the beginning to its end. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.